Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download songs to your Android device and then also download the metadata associated with those songs. And if you don't know what metadata is basically the information that an application can use to tell who the artist that sings the song is, what album it is, and also give it album art. Um, so this would be a feature that you would see maybe on Spotify or any other streaming service. But anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself here. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and download an app called VLC for Android right here. As you can see, I already have it installed, but I'll do a fresh install for you guys so that you can so I can be thorough and show you all the steps. Now, while that's downloading, the way I prefer to download the songs is to go to the YouTube app here, tap on share, and go to copy the link. And then just open up a tab in the browser. Actually, I don't have one open. So, okay, yeah, and head to this site here called ytmp3.cc. And this is a site basically where you paste the link into this bar here. It converts it to an MP3 file. So I'm going to do that. Hit convert. And depending on how long the video is, it's going to take a different amount of time depending on, the size of the video. So we just got to wait for that to convert. Okay, so now you just tap on download. You'll see download start at the very bottom here. Okay, now the download has finished. So now what we can do is we can go to VLC. When you first download it, you're going to get this screen here. It's going to basically ask you for permissions. Make sure this box here is checked. And pretty much it. VLC does pretty much all the work for you. It's a very polished app and very easy to use, and that's why it's my preferred application to play songs through. But now if we go here, we can see all the songs I have downloaded onto my phone. The song we just downloaded here, Led Zeppelin, Over the Hills and Far Away. As you can see, it has no album art, and also if we go to artists, you're not going to see Led Zeppelin on here. However, it's going to be under the unknown artist tab, an unknown album. And this kind of really annoys me about downloading songs rather than using a streaming service. I really like to have the metadata available so that I can neatly organize my songs. So now I'm going to show you how to do that. So to do that, we need an app that allows us to edit the metadata tags for MP3 files. And you can go to the Android App Store or the Google App Store, type in metadata tag editor, and you're going to get a big list here. You can pretty much use any of these, if you like one over the other. However, the one I use is this automatic tag editor. So let's go ahead and install that. Okay, so this process can be a little confusing for for the first time, but I'll walk you guys through it so that there's no problem. So let's go ahead and open this app. It's going to ask for permissions just like VLC. I'm going to hit allow. Now we need to grant permission. Basically give this app permissions to search and edit files throughout the phone. So what we want to do is click on grant here. Now if your phone's like mine, it's going to start you with downloads here, and if you just hit allow access at the bottom here, it's actually not going to work because that was giving it access to a specific folder, when in reality this app needs to be able to edit files in multiple folders. So instead what we want to do is go to grant. If you hit this top button here, you're not going to see the internal storage of your phone. So first, before we do that, we hit these three dots to the top right here and select show internal storage. Now if we go here, we can see it, my phone, Roger's phone. Click on that, and now if we hit allow access to Roger's phone, allow, now this changes to green, permission granted, and we can go on to the next part. This is going to let you know about some Android bug, but we don't care about that. So now to get the metadata for the song we just downloaded, simply click on the song. It's going to get the information from online, and there it is, Led Zeppelin, House of the Holy is the album name. That's the album picture, and we just tap on it. Now it says at the bottom, tag edited successfully. Now if we go back to VLC, go to tracks, refresh it. Oops. It might take a second to refresh. You might instead also want to close it and then reopen it. But now, as you can see here, Over the Hills and Far Away, Led Zeppelin, you have the album art. You go to albums. Sure enough, there's the album. So there you go. You just downloaded songs, and now you also have the metadata available so that you can categorize your songs by artist or whatever you want. So, okay, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.